In this video, I will show you how to create a scatter plot in Tableau. First, on the left side of your screen, locate sum profit and sum sales. Click and hold them, then drag them to the rows bar. Then again, do the same process and find category. Click and hold it, then drag it to the columns bar. You will now see your data start to appear in your main graph area. Next, go to the left side of your screen in the Marks section. Click on it to show the options for graph styles. In here, you can choose from a variety of visuals such as line, bar, or scatter. For this example, let's select line. Then click on Sum on top, click on Dimensions, and do the same for Sum Sales. You will see that the visuals of the graph automatically change and adjust accordingly, showing you a clearer view of your scatter plot data. And that's how to create a scatter plot in Tableau.